So for this video, we're going to talk about drum heat. So in the winter months when you receive your drums or pails from delivery, they're likely not going to be up to the proper temperature for operation. So to bring them up to temp, it's important to use a band heater, you can use a space heater even, or a base heater to bring them up to that temperature. And to know if you got to that set point, we'll use our infrared thermometer. We can use it towards the bottom of the drum to get a reading. And with high pressure system, we want to see a minimum of 60 degrees Fahrenheit. And for the low pressure system, we want to see a minimum of around 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The reason for this is the 60 degrees Fahrenheit temperature for the high pressure will make it easy for your transfer pumps to feed your machine so you have a good operation. And for the low pressure, since you don't have any heaters in there, at that temperature, the materials are the closest in viscosity for having a very accurate ratio and for easy use. And the other option would be makes it a little easier to heat your drum, would have it off of the ground on a pallet. Will kind of help keep it warmer and let it warm up a little quicker.